Go. Good. Start with your hips square each time so then you can turn in the air. Good. Good. Load and explode. Go from flexion to extension. Less than 30 seconds. Yep, load and explode, don't bounce. Good. Ten seconds left. Go hard. Good. Good. Get a quick hip turn when you're in the air. Good. Square and then turn as you're in the air. Good. And stop.